In this video, I am going to show you how to create a Yahoo email account on computer and laptop, and also how to solve too many items problem while creating the Yahoo account. Let's see that. First, open Google Chrome and type Yahoo sign up. Search. Then open this first link, create a Yahoo account. Now fill up these general details. And here you need to enter your Yahoo ID. After type the ID, just click on this empty space. If you see this tick mark, then your mail ID was selected. If X mark shows means you just need to type any extra words or numbers. I just typed 2, just like that. Then here create a strong password, and date of birth you can randomly enter any numbers. Just like that. Then click continue. Then here compulsorily you need to enter a recovery phone number. Just like that. Then click send code. Start puzzle. Now you need to move the direction of second image like first one. Submit. Okay, when you see this tick mark, don't click continue. You just need to create a new tab and type Chrome Web Store. Search. Then open this first link, Chrome Web Store. And here on this search bar, just type VPN. Search. And here we have a lot of free VPNs. You can use any of this. Usually I go with this Touch VPN, and if you want additional features and safety means you can use NordVPN. I will leave the official link in the description. Make sure you check it out. Then just tap add to Chrome, add extension. Now it's installed. Now just click this icon. Here you can see the extension. Just click here. Then you will see the VPN page. Now just tap connect, or you can also choose some location like this. I just tap connect. Wait for until it connects. Okay, now the VPN was turned on. Now go back to Yahoo and just tap continue. Yes, now it works. Here you can see there is no too many options. Here you need to enter the verification code which was sent to that phone number. I just received on my mobile. After you enter that, just click next. That's it. Now you successfully created a Yahoo account by using your computer or laptop. Just tap done. Yeah, your Yahoo account was created successfully. I just click this. Yeah, here you can see the welcome page. It's created. Daily doubts 2@yahoo.com. It's now on live. Here also you can see that. Yeah, now click this icon and tap VPN. And just tap stop. That's it. This is basically how you can create a Yahoo email account by using your computer or laptop, and also how to solve the too many items issue while creating a Yahoo email account. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.